Okay, we think the day might be finally here when Tessa is in labor. Her udder is really big, her ligaments are pretty loose, but it's been like that for a few days. But we think today she finally might be having some mucus coming out. So this would be the beginning of labor. It's Easter. Oh my gosh, yes, that's mucus right there. I can totally see it. That is definitely mucus. We're going to be having a baby coming soon. Hopefully more than one, though. Let's lock her in the stall. Sorry, I have stuff in my mouth. It came out rather suddenly. So the stall's all ready for her. But we just need to trap her and entice her. She is not like our other goats in that she's very standoffish and not liking people. Yeah, you might need to get some treats. She's getting better at being pet and touched, like whenever she wants it, but for the most part she still dislikes people, which is strange because her mom really likes people and we've treated her like all the other goats and they're all fine, but she is definitely not. Oh yeah, look at her, she's waddling. Definitely strange. Come on, Tess. Oh, is that a contraction? What's going on?
You okay, Tessa?
She's probably fine. Maybe it hurts and she's trying to lay down. It looks like she's wanting to lay down and not like can't get up. But this is very strange. Is she gonna give birth right there? Right now? I don't think so.
Let's go in the stall, okay, girlie?
Let's grab your harness. Come on. Come on, Mommy.
I put a little piece in there too.
Come on.
What can you do in there?
Come on. Let's go. Tessa.
Tessa, get up.
I know. There we go. Get up.
We're running out of peas.
There we go. Come on.
Stretch them for much longer.
Look at that huge teat, though. It's all swelling up like regular.
Come on, Tessa.
Come on, Tess. Come on, Mommy. Oh, up we go.
In we go.
Almost there. Into your pen, please. Come on, girl. Come on.
There you go. Come here. Look. Peas. Aren't you excited?
There we go. Okay. Alright, now you can come out. And you have treats on your cinder block. And you're good. Food, water, treats. You're going to be by yourself. You're going to give birth. We should probably sweep up the hay before she actually gives birth.
Should we put her in the stall?
So as you can see, we have a baby born now. I thankfully didn't miss it. And some family members did miss it, but some didn't. So we have at least my actual first birth I got to watch, though I wasn't able to grab the camera in time. We were told that she was in the middle of giving birth, so we all ran out here as fast as possible. It was like less than a half hour from when we first saw her that she might have some mucus coming out. So that was the complete opposite of Millie's birth. And it's a little girl, our first ever girl. For a while, Tessa wasn't licking her or anything. I was kind of worried, but now she's licking her just fine. The little girl's healthy. She's so pretty, though, too. We're already thinking of names. This is, like, so happy. We made sure to put some straw or chips down so that whenever she delivers the placenta, it won't, like, be so nasty. Because last time we just had, like, bare dirt and, like, gross mucus and stuff. That was kind of gross. So we don't really want that again this time. But isn't she so cute? We could name her April. I like briar rose, though. That's kind of fun. And plus, she'll be eating a whole bunch of rose briars. She's one of our goats. Because we have that rose bush that we don't like. And we're making them eat. You're a daddy again. You're a literal daddy. Again. Batch has a little sister now. What a good daddy. Yes, you are. She came out fine. We dipped her umbilical cord. We dried her off a little bit. That's all taken care of. We're just waiting for her to nurse now. Tessa is licking her off, and I've been told that licking equals bonding, so we're letting mommy and daughter bond for a long time. But eventually we'll have to make sure that she nurses. Yeah, Tessa, her head and body are dry. It's like her back end and legs that need to be licked. You already did the licking on the good parts. Don't overdo it some areas and underdo others. Just do equal everywhere. Let's see, where's our grandma? Where's grandma? Oh, here she is. Grandma! What do you think, Grandma? Grandma Penny? You're acting kind of weird, little girl.
Go run a penny or something.
You're looking for Milky? Your mommy ain't ready to nurse you yet. She ain't ready. Is this a girl goat thing or a nursey thing? You trying to nurse here? Trying to nurse? Oh, she's trying to nurse. That's what she's trying to do. She's trying to nurse. That's good to try. Your mommy ain't ready to nurse you yet, though. She ain't ready. Adorable. Don't eat it, Tessa.
You. Hi, Tessa. She's right here.
She's right here, Tess.
She's
Don't
right
worry.
here. It's okay. Yeah.
Good girl. So we had to hold Tessa still, but I was able to get her to nurse a little bit. So she has some colostrum in her, and the nursing will have stimulated Tessa some more, and so that's all good. And if we have to hold Tessa still to let her nurse for a little bit, then that's okay. But hopefully we'll get Tessa to nurse her on her own. It is so new for Tessa. It's all very new experience. So it's okay that she's having a little bit of trouble, but so far she's doing pretty good. I had to hold her still, but she didn't struggle or like have freak out or anything like that. So that's good. And she's still licking her. So we're heading in the right direction. You look so cute with your sweater, baby girl. She has a little patch flap down. Little shake and shake. So we're scratching Tessa, keeping her occupied. Baby's kind of figuring out how to nurse. Going from teat to teat and also not teat. They'll get it eventually. Oh, you're going to wiggle now? We've been scratching her and keeping her occupied and making her stay still for a while. And baby got some stuff to nurse, but now I don't know if she's full or just tired or just lost her place. But what a good baby. You got some colostrum in you. That's so good. That is so good. There we go. The light's on. It makes your eyes shine strange, but you can see better now. What a cute baby. What a cute baby. Oh, you are adorable. And you're so tiny, especially compared to Patch. He's so big compared to you. Yeah. You're so cute. You are so cute. Oh, no. These are fingers. They're not teats. There's no milk in these. I'm sorry. So Tessa had no interest in her molasses water. So we're curious if the other goats will drink it for her. Let's see what they think. They were smelling the molasses and freaking out. Oh, yummy.
Hey, Patch.
Oh, yummy. It's so weird to look in here and see a mom and a black baby. I'm so used to seeing a mom and a little white baby. But now we have a little black baby. It's so weird. We've never had a baby this dark before. The darkest has been Keely, but he still has like a lot of different colors on him. Yep. Ooh, is that good, Penny? Is that good? What does he think? Ooh, looks like he likes it. Oh, look, they're trying to nurse on their own. And the placenta's slowly coming out. Yeah, you'll figure it out eventually. So she's mostly black with some white patches on her, but she has one little brown patch right there. This is right there. Do you see that? That little one patch? So we're thinking maybe we could call her Dot. Like we'd have Patch and Dot, you know, kind of go together. Looks like the placenta's out and baby keeps slipping in it. We'll see if she eats it. She didn't like the molasses water. Maybe she won't like the placenta. The one thing about having shavings in here is that the placenta gets all shaving-y. It's okay if you don't eat it, but it would be really good if you did. Good morning. It's now the next morning, and Tessa and her baby are still doing really good. Sadly, despite my best efforts, we have still not decided on a name, though I'm determined not to wait 3 days before we name this baby. So after we forced her to nurse on Tessa that last time, we tried a whole bunch more to force her to nurse, and she didn't take it, which made me think that she was already full. I was looking at her belly, and she kind of felt full. I couldn't really tell though, because I'm not very used to feeding baby goats for fullness or not. But she didn't want to nurse on Tessa anymore, even though we held her still and put her mouth on the teat. So I guess that was a good thing. And then, so that was all throughout the rest of the evening and into the night. Then this morning, I came out and she did want to nurse, so I held Tessa still and let her nurse a little bit. I don't know if she's nursing on her own without me watching, but I haven't seen her nurse without assistance. like, I think ever. So I'm just going to hold Tessa and let her nurse for a while whenever she does want to nurse. I don't want to assume that she's getting fed and then, like, have her not get fed because I'm assuming incorrectly. So just in case, I will hold Tessa still. Even though it was chilly, she survived the night. She's making noises. She's acting normally. She is super cute. I'm so excited to name her. Tessa's doing good, acting pretty normal. She's actually acting different than normal in one respect. She's actually letting us touch her. Before, I don't know if it was her pregnancy or just her weird personality, but she would, like, run away from us whenever we tried to touch her. There towards the end, she was letting us kind of scratch her head a little bit, but for a long while, we couldn't even put hands on her without, like, a really big fight. That's why we have a harness on her, is because we had to check her ligaments, like, every day, sometimes, like, twice or 3 times a day. And we, like, couldn't, with Penny, you can, like, pet her and then just feel ligaments as you're petting her, and she really enjoys it. But with Tessa, we had to manhandle her and grab her and yank her to stay still, because she would just buck and fight and, like, be crazy. But now, like, I'm holding her still to let her baby nurse her, and she's holding still very well. I'm touching her, feeling her udder, all this stuff. She doesn't quite like me, like, touching her udder, but the few times I have touched it, she hasn't, like, freaked out or kicked. So I don't know if it's, like, her mother instincts kicking in and she's, like, being different because of that or what, but that is a very pleasant change. Okay, I have to get on with my day, but I'll check on you guys later. Bye! It's the next morning, and we decided to let Tessa and her baby out to be free in the whole goat area, while the other goats are out of their area, free-ranging. So while they're still separated from all the other goats, they're free to roam their entire designated space. In other good news, I've seen Tessa nurse her baby a couple times. So even though they were both being pretty secretive about it before, we've now seen our baby nursing, so that worry is now off our plate. And I guess now would also be a good time to tell you that we decided on a name for this little baby. Her name is Hope. We thought since she was born on Easter, we could do, like, an Easter-themed name. We had several Easter-themed names as some of our options. We had a whole bunch of options, but we decided on Hope. That was the only name that all our family members could agree on. And, you know, it kind of goes with Easter. You know, Christ's resurrection brings hope, and, you know, she was born on that day, so we figured it'd kind of fitting. Oh my gosh, Patch is eating stuff! He was eating this dead stuff. You gonna eat it some more? Yeah, show the people. He's eating it. Of course he picks the one weird dead thing to eat when there's, like, a whole bunch of fresh, lush green things all around him. But at least he's starting to eat stuff. That's, like, the first time I've seen him actually, like, honestly eating something. I mean, he's been nibbling a few things, but, like, not like that. Good boy. Good job. You better watch out, Patch. He squeezed through the bars into the pen. He's so much bigger than she is. Oh my gosh. What's Tessa gonna do? Nothing? Come on out, Patch. You'll be safest if you come out. A protective mama is not something to mess with. There we go. Good boy.